In Canva, start by creating a new project. Press T to add a text box and type the word you want. For example, Greece. Change the font to 2010 supersized black box, which has a transparent center and is perfect for this effect. Set the color to blue, then download it as a transparent PNG image. Now delete the text from the canvas and let's add our video. Place your video on the canvas, resize it to leave some space around the edges, and give it rounded corners. In the timeline, split the video into 3 scenes. For the first scene, make it 3 seconds for the intro. For the second scene, make it about 5 seconds for the main reveal. And the third scene, make that 3 seconds for the outro. You can adjust the length to fit your project. Then add solid blue backgrounds under the video in all the 3 scenes. Then next, add 3 descriptive texts directly on the video describing what is in the video. Now upload the transparent text image you exported earlier. Add it to the first scene. Duplicate it and align the copies. Crop one image halfway from the bottom and crop the other one halfway from the top so they meet at the center. Next, add shapes to cover everything around the text except the transparent centers. Press R to add a rectangle, set it to blue, and place it over the bottom half. Duplicate the shape to cover the left and the right edges until only the transparent text remains visible. Select all the shapes and the bottom half and group them. Repeat the same process for the top half. Add shapes around it. Then select all the shapes and the text image and group them. Now duplicate both groups and place them in the second and third scenes. Before that, don't forget to first duplicate the descriptive text layers and place them in scene 2 and scene 3 so the text remains consistent across the animation. Now duplicate the group text halves and bring them into scene 2. Animate them by sliding the bottom half off screen and the top half upward off screen to create the split reveal effect. For scene 3, copy the group text halves from scene 1 and paste them here so that the animation resets and the text reappears in its original position. Finally, add match and move transitions between all scenes. Set the duration to 1.5 seconds. Now preview your project and you'll see the effect. The video starts inside the transparent text, then the text splits apart to reveal the full video scene. And that's how you can create a split text reveal transition in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative Canva tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.